So did you know that you don't need millions of followers on Instagram in order to get brand deals? Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you how anyone can actually request to join the creator marketplace. This is something that Instagram has made available to anyone who wants to work with companies and brands to make money with their Instagram account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Lester Diaz, and this is the highlighted comment of the day. Every single day, I get a lot of comments on my videos from people who are following exactly what I teach in my videos on how they can monetize their content on social media, especially Facebook. I have a lot of videos talking about how you can make money on Facebook. It's actually easier to make money on Facebook than it is on Instagram. And I'm always happy to hear about your success stories making money with social media, whether that's on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, whatever that is. Make sure you guys leave comments letting me know that my content has helped you get to where you want to be in terms of making more money, perhaps getting more followers, getting more reach. Do let me know. It always makes me happy to hear your success stories. So a few months back, Instagram introduced something called the Creator Marketplace. Initially, this was an invitation only platform, meaning that you would get an invite inside your Instagram account saying you've been invited to join the Creator Marketplace. You would fill up a form and go through that process, and then you would just simply wait for brands and companies to DM you, offering you to promote their products and services. I actually did get an invite, and I want to show you what that looks like. So typically, if you get an invite, you'll see something on top of your Instagram account saying you've been invited to the Creator Marketplace. Once you click on that, it'll take you to a page like this. In this page, you can see it says join Creator Marketplace, get discovered by eligible brands for branded content and opportunities, get noticed for your interests, spot new opportunities easily. Now, once you go through that process, it will ask you for you to give permission to brands to access your profile information like your age, gender, location, all of that. And you're also providing permission for brands to get access to your insights, meaning that they know how many followers you're getting, how many followers you're losing, whether your account is getting reach, how many likes you're getting per post, all that information. They get access to all of that through the Creator Marketplace, so they can see whether or not you might be a good fit for their products or services. So by providing access to these brands and companies before they work with you, basically what they're saying is we want to see your actual insights. We want to see exactly how many likes you're getting, how many followers. So as you can see, some of the insights that brands get access to is total followers, details about accounts engaged, accounts reach, and impressions. The next step is to simply allow brands to find you based on audience details, meaning that if the brand or company is looking for a specific type of audience. So for example, my Instagram account, I don't typically use it to get brand deals or make money with content. I typically use my Instagram account as a way to communicate with other influencers, to close business deals, to talk to people, help people out. And I don't really do any type of monetization when it comes to my Instagram, because it's mostly a place for me to communicate with other people and do business with the other people. So the type of people who follow my Instagram is mostly entrepreneurs, influencers, people who are making money online, people who are building online businesses. So that's my type of audience. So the last step is basically to allow brands and companies to DM you in regards to partnership deals that they want to do with you. And basically you'll get a message on top saying you have a partnership request, and you'll get it in the primary folder of your DMs to let you know, so you don't miss that opportunity. So if you do decide to work with that partnership, then you can decide on costs, how much it's going to cost, any specifications that they're asking for this partnership. You still get to say whether you want to work with them or not. So the Creator Marketplace is simply a way for brands to find you instead of you having to reach out to companies and brands and ask them if they are willing to sponsor you. So this makes it a lot easier for brands and companies to find trusted influencers with real engagement. Okay, so what if you didn't get an invite into the Creator Marketplace? What can you do? Well, there's a specific link that you can use to request to join the Creator Marketplace. And I would only advise you to use this if you are trying to build a brand or you're trying to be an influencer on Instagram. So do you need brand deals to make money on Instagram? Absolutely not. I have a video, which I'm gonna link to in the description below, that talks about how you can monetize your content on Instagram without having to rely on brand deals or any of that. So there's gonna be a link in the description below. That video can help you understand how you can get into the bonuses and make $1,200, $5,000 by simply uploading simple reels on Instagram. However, if you're already in the path of becoming an influencer, you are spending all this time creating content on Instagram, uploading reels, creating posts, building your following. You're getting 5,000 followers, 10,000 followers in a specific niche. If you do get this invite, then you can follow all these steps that I just showed you in this video. And honestly, guys, this is my least favorite way of making money with any social media platform, including Facebook, YouTube, or TikTok, mainly because you're relying on whether you're gonna get a partnership deal or not. I would prefer to just stick to creating content that might go viral, and things like Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, stuff like that can definitely make you way more money than spending your time trying to get a brand deal, because a brand deal might be a one-time thing. You might not get it next month, but if you do hit a viral reel on Instagram, for example, and if you have access to the bonuses, you can definitely hit a $1,200 bonus, a 5,000K bonus. It depends on how many views you're getting on your reels. So I would spend the time to just create content for both Instagram and Facebook and try to make money that way. And like I said, I have a ton of videos on my channel talking about how to monetize your Instagram with reels, how you can make money on Facebook with Facebook videos and Facebook Reels and all of that. So feel free to go back to my channel and check out those videos, because I'm sure they're gonna help you to understand how the monetization has changed and how you can take advantage of all of these social media opportunities to make money. And if you want a step-by-step guide on how to actually make money on Facebook by building, growing, and monetizing Facebook pages, I also have Facebook Income School, which you'll find in the description below. So with that said, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to hit the like button below. Share this video with someone if you believe this video can help someone understand Instagram monetization. They're looking to make money with their Instagram profile. So this video might be helpful for them. And also check out my other videos in the description below. I talk about making money with Instagram Reels. And with that said, thank you very much for watching this video. If you guys haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Hit the little subscribe button below. I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.